Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July 13th, 2019, and it's a beautiful day here in Pennsylvania, and I wanted to talk to you about black-eyed Susans. My black-eyed Susans out in full sun, but they can take some light shade, and this particular plant here, from what I've seen, can grow almost anywhere. Readily reseeds itself. It's very happy reseeding itself, and it has multiplied a lot since I started out, I think, with just a few plants. Now, birds do like to eat the seeds of these in the wintertime, but being that it readily reseeds itself, it can take over. So, you know, if you want to leave some of the seed heads on for the birds to eat during the wintertime, you can do that. But I will tell you, you're probably going to be pulling a lot of black-eyed Susans out. Now, where I'm gardening at, this is a perennial for me, and usually what it does is it drops its seeds like after it's done blooming, and the flowers start coming up that year, and then they bloom the next year. Sometimes this plant can be a biennial, which means that it will drop its seeds, come up the first year, bloom the second year, and then usually it dies out. But what I've noticed here is that providing it gets winter protection, it will survive the winter. So it's kind of hit or miss, but it reseeds itself so much that I don't have to worry about it. Now, sometimes this particular plant can get black spot, and it also can get fortress blight. So those are a few things that you do have to watch out for. And deer and rabbits do sometimes like a munch on these things, so you do have to watch out for the deer and the rabbits, because they will come to try and munch on them. And this is really great for attracting your pollinators. So if you want something that attracts pollinators, then I recommend black-eyed Susans. Now, sometimes these are also called brown-eyed Susans, and there are different forms of Rudbeckia. So some of those are perennials, some are biennials, and some are just annuals. So be sure to check the tags when you get them to see what they are. And knowing your growing zone will help you a lot too, to know if it's going to be an annual or perennial in your area. And the more you cut these particular flowers, the more they will actually start blooming. So the wind wants to blow on me here. But if you remove the spent blossoms, it will also keep them blooming more as well. So you can see here, these are just branching off here with more flowers coming on them. And these are a beautiful yellow color. Sometimes they can have a little bit of like a golden yellow color to them, or like a gold color to them. And you can purchase seeds for these. Your stores should have them. Online retailers should have seeds for these. And one plant, providing you let it go to seed, will greatly multiply its way out. And this is a beautiful plant to mix in with like phlox and Shasta daisies, your butterfly weed. It just looks so pretty with it. And coneflowers. Can't forget coneflowers, because they really make a nice appearance together if you choose to do a mixed planting. And all of these black-eyed Susans have actually, they planted themselves. So I hope you enjoyed my video on black-eyed Susans. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.